Hi. I am here again to review a new product which has been sent to me by Blue Nectar and oops, by Blue Nectar, that is the Trifladi Tea Tree Slimming Oil. You must be thinking that I talk about body positivity and how come I am reviewing an anti-cellulite product on my platform. I am a person who has always been suffering from a cellulite problem, and you can refer to this picture. Here you can see the dimple kind of fat on my thighs. This is the cellulite I have on my thigh area. For a person like me who has been suffering from a cellulite, and it was very important for me to understand that what is the basic difference between a cellulite and a fat, because fat is something which you can really deal up with, which you can really solve the matter with exercise or with some dietary changes, but cellulite is genetic. And yes, it has been given to me, gifted to me by my family, and that is the fat which is deposited under my thighs and also in my stomach area after my C-section. So many of the ladies out there and many of the females out there will agree with me that we all suffer from cellulite problem there and after. Question comes, if the cellulite is not solved by exercising, which we do a lot in our daily routine and we are trying to do in the lockdown also, then what is the solution of it? Well, I have been using 2 to 3 brands I have tried of cellulite oils, because they really help me to tone that area, because when we wear the short dresses or something the sari below the navel or anything like that, which that thigh area is visible, then obviously my cellulite is visible. But the thing is, there is no certain way to reduce the cellulite. Only the safest way is that you go under, you use some good cellulite cream or cellulite oil, and when it comes to using on your skin, I am really careful about those things. So I decided that I should go with something that is Ayurvedic, because I am something, in every video of mine I say that I always try natural things in my regime, whether it is diet or whether it is something another supplements I am recommending to my to my fam. So I think this particular product by Blue Nectar was something that had Trifla in it, and Trifla we can intake also. It is edible also, and that is something we can by applying it on our body and massaging it can give you the good results, can give you a good skin, and can give you a toned skin. So basically you have to just tone your cellulite. You have to massage it properly on your skin with a proper procedure. I have recommended this procedure to many of my female clients in my gym whenever they used to meet me, and because it also improves the texture of your skin, and we all suffer from the stretch marks problem also after the delivery, after the C-section, of course. So I think the oil helps us a lot. So why I chose Blue Nectar? Because obviously I love their products. I have used their previously I have recommended their anti-aging serum also, and now this time I'm taking it up just because it's pure herbal, and I think that is not gonna do any kind of harm to my skin. So if we talk about the ingredients, they have harad in it. I think you have heard about it. That helps in your the stomach problems also, and they have amla in it, and that was also the main reason. And they have my favorite oil, that is tea tree oil. If you talk about the packaging, I always love their packaging because it's bluish, and the smell of the oil is also very nice. So I mean, sometimes the oils are like, you don't want to use it because it smells so bad, because your family doesn't want to sit next to you just because the smell of the oil is so unbearable. But no, the smell is very much bearable, and it's very much nice. And the best way to use it is you can use it before your morning workout. So I will tell you now now that how to use the oil. First of all, take some oil in the bowl. Oops. Because you have nobody to help, so you have to help yourself. Alright. Be your own savior. So I have taken a little bit of oil over here because I am just gonna rub it on my thigh area. So we'll keep this in the oven. As you can see, we'll keep it in the oven, and as my oven is not setting it up at 10 seconds, so I'll just set it up at 15 seconds, and I will now keep the oil, and it is ready to use. Heated it. Now you have to just rub your palm a bit. Rub it hard so that you can feel the heat, and take some oil in your palm here, and I'm gonna rub it in my problematic area, that is my outer thigh, that is on the right hand side. Always remember that your hand should be more rigorous enough so that the oil absorbs. I'm also gonna rub some of the oil in my stomach area. As you can see, this is the cellulite appearance. And rub it inwards. So I hope you have got the idea that how you have to use the oil. The basic idea is that the oil should be heated up and your body should be heated up. You can use it after the warm up, or you can use it, while you are sitting in the steam. When the gyms were opened, I used to always take my cellulite oil, the brand I used to use before, in the steam room, and I used to get benefited by it a lot. So I think maybe you have got the idea that why I have chosen the Blue Nectar, because it's Ayurvedic, it's completely skin friendly to my skin, and I'm gonna upload the results very soon. As soon as I have started applying it, and it's been 2-3 days, so I'll be uploading the results after a month to see what is the progress. You can hereby refer to my inches. I have mentioned my inches also. I've taken my before inches also, and I'll be taking the the after inches also to see that how it has worked on my skin. Till then, I hope that the Blue Nectar Ayurveda Slimming Oil, Trifladi Tea Tree Slimming Oil will help me shrink again into my jeans जो मुझे लॉकडाउन से पहले आ रही थी. I think अब थोड़ी सी टाइट हो गई है, but I think the results will be amazing. Thank you, Blue Nectar, for this one, and bye bye. Take care. 37. I'll be taking the lower waist because I've applied the oil on the lower waist itself. So I'll be taking it from the navel part. That's 39. 42. So for my reference, my measurements on 672020 are these. So I'll be coming back to you after the schedule follow. I have taken the measurements in front of you. I think it is well clear that it is gonna be a very honest review on my part for the product, whether it will work on my skin or whether it will give me the desired results or not. So I think nothing can replace your good lifestyle, the good exercise, and your good diet habits. I think I have to continue with the same to get the better results. So thank you, Blue Nectar, for giving me this opportunity.